welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well today. As you guys can tell by today's video title, today's video is super fun because we're actually going to be trying out some Korean skincare products. The last time I did a K-beauty haul on my channel, I think you guys really enjoyed it because you got to find a bunch of new brands that you've never seen before. And this video is no different. I feel like there's a bunch of really cool brands that I can show you guys in this video, and this video is actually in collaboration with StyleKorean, where you can shop all of these products. All of these products are actually going to be on major discounts for the Amazon Prime Day that's happening between the 11th and 12th of July. So if you guys do want to get your hands on any of these, definitely do so whilst they're on great offers. I'll have all the links in the description so you guys can check them out. But I guess without further ado, let's just jump straight into the first one. Okay, so the very first product we're going to be talking about is this one right here. This is from a brand called Be The Skin. This is called the BHA Plus 30-Second Exfoliator Pore Zero. This product claims to remove dust, dead skin cells, blackheads, and gunk from your skin in just 30 seconds. It contains aloe vera for soothing and calming down angry skin with apricot extract, aka the AHA. It also has fruit acid for sucking out the toxins from your skin. You want to roll this on your skin for about a minute and you'll see all the dead skin cells starting to form. I've actually been on the lookout for a really nice gentle exfoliator like this one, so I'm so happy I picked this up, and it has a really nice, very subtle fragrance to it, which I really find pleasant. After using this, your skin just feels so revitalized and really smooth and refreshed, so definitely recommend this. Now moving on to the next product, I have this one right here. This is from a brand called ROUNDLAB. This is actually a toner and I absolutely love this brand. I've tried it before in a previous haul and I was very impressed with the quality of the products. The packaging is stunning, but the product inside is even better. Here is the toner bottle. It's actually quite big. It's 200 ml, so I feel like there's a lot of product in here and it's gonna last you a long time. I like to apply this with a cotton pad over my skin that's been freshly cleansed and exfoliated, and I feel like this really just helps to even out my skin tone. It's super mild and non-irritating, and it's perfect for sensitive and dehydrated skin, which is what I have. It nourishes and hydrates the skin with almost a water-like texture with no scent, no fragrance, and no artificial formula. This product itself has actually received many awards in the Korea beauty industry, so you know it's gonna be good. Now moving on to face masks, I actually picked up two different ones. So the first one we have is this one right here from a brand called MARY&MAY, and this is actually a niacinamide vitamin C brightening mask. This is the best combination of a sheet mask. Not only is it hygienic, but it's super affordable. It comes in wet tissue packaging for hygienic usage, and the price range is nothing compared to the original prices of sheet masks. This sheet mask contains niacinamide, hyaluronic acid, and vitamin C, all of the goodness in one single sheet for your daily skincare. I absolutely love how freaking massive the packaging is of this. Like, there's a lot of product in here. This kind of container is definitely a game changer because the sheets inside will not dry out, so it's perfect for like long-term use. Now the next product we're going to be trying out is this face mask, which I'm so intrigued by. It's from a brand called Skin 1004, and this is called the Zombie Pack. I feel like sometimes we all feel like zombies. We've had a long hard day and our skin just needs a pick-me-up, and that's when we need one of these. This face mask has skin tightening and pore minimizing functions, so I'm really excited to try it. Apparently this became Korea's viral face mask in 2023, so I'm really excited to use it. Let's open it up together. This is what I see. Okay, so we have a little box, and then we have all these little capsules, which I'm guessing are the mask itself. And in this box right here, we have the activator and a little brush. Okay, I'm excited. Let's apply this. So in order for this mask to work, what you actually have to do is mix in the activator into the little pod of powder. You want to mix it really well with the brush that they've provided, and then it is ready to apply it to your face. When you apply it to your face, it's quite watery, but actually it starts to kind of tighten and thicken up pretty quick. After about 10 minutes, it should be completely dry on your face and your face should feel really tight. At this point, you should just rinse it off with lukewarm water, and this is what my face looks like after the face mask. My skin feels so tight. It is so nice. Now moving on to the next product, I actually picked up two different serums from two different brands. We have the one from MIXSOON, and this is the Bean Essence, and I also picked up the Beauty of JOSEON, and this is the Ginseng Essence Water. I guess we'll start off with the MIXSOON one. This Bean Essence is perfect for people that are a little bit more concerned about blackheads, pore clogging, and just in general dehydration from dead skin cells. This product actually has a duo effect of being an essence but also a peeling gel, so that resolves that problem for you. This actually has a vegan vegan formula, which I'm really excited about, and I can't wait to try this out. However, for today's video, I think I'm gonna try this one. Now, this product, having the active ingredient of ginseng inside it, really helps to moisturize your skin very, very deeply. This product actually has 80% of the active ginseng water ingredient, as well as ginseng root extract, and it's a great product all around. It has multi-use. It can be a toning water, cleansing water, moisturizing essence, or even moisturizing mist. I absolutely love this, and I have tried this brand before. I've used a bunch of their eye creams, so definitely familiar with this one already. Now, moving on to the next product, we're actually going to be trying out an eye cream. We have this one right here from the brand called Tocobo. I think that's how you say it. This is a collagen brightening eye cream, and it's actually got lavender flower water inside it at 81%. That's quite high. This kind of eye cream is essential as part of your everyday kind of skincare routine if you want to prevent wrinkles. It's a really good option for a lightweight cream that's beginner friendly for the under eyes. Because the formula of this is super lightweight, it's perfect for those of you guys who don't really like that super thick feeling underneath the eyes that a lot of eye creams have. As you can see, it comes in a really convenient squeezy tube, so you don't have to like dip your finger and your nails into an eye cream. This is just perfect on the go. I've actually been using this cream for a little while now, and I've just kept the box to show you guys, but yeah, really enjoying it so far, so definitely will let you know how I feel about it in a little while. Now, on to the next product. The next one is from a brand called Jumiso, and this is the Glow Serum. This is a pure vitamin serum that effectively fades dark spots and acne scars on your skin. I do have quite a few of those on my jaw, so I'm definitely going to be in need of this. This contains ascorbic acid, which is one of the most powerful antioxidants for brightening up your complexion. This product does actually have to be stored in your fridge just because of the active ingredients that are inside it, but I don't really mind that too much. I think it would actually be very refreshing using this in the mornings when it's just straight out the fridge. It'll be so cooling on the skin. Now, the next product I'm actually super excited for. It's actually a sun cream from a brand called ABIB. This is called the Airy Sunstick Soothing Bar. It's actually got SPF 50+ and is water resistant for up to 80 minutes. Ever since moving to a much sunnier part of the country, I've really been getting into my like sunscreen and just really looking after my skin and protecting it from the sun. So anytime I see a product like this, I'm always so interested because I just can chuck it in my handbag, apply it on the go, especially when it's in a stick form like this. As you can see, this one kind of has like a little bit of a curve to it, which I think is so cool. It's one of these cool products that you literally just twist and it goes up and up and up, and I love that design. So this particular Sunstick is a matte finish and it's non-sticky. The formula claims to be quite airy and powdery, so it's also quite like sebum controlling at the same time without looking sticky and shiny. I feel like this is the perfect kind of product to use for makeup wearers if you still want to protect your skin underneath. You could obviously apply this under your foundation or on top. With this product claiming to have a matte finish, I can already tell I'm gonna love it. It's gonna be a game changer for me because I always just look so sweaty and oily whenever I apply sun cream. So I definitely can't wait to try this one. So with all the skincare kind of out of the way, I do have a couple of lip products to show you guys as well. These technically are still skincare because they're kind of like balms. So the first one I have is from a brand called ROM&ND, and I have two different shades here. This is called the Glasting Melting Balm. I love to use anything that's hydrating on my lips while still having a little bit of a tint, so I can't wait to try these out. So these are the two shades that I picked up. I absolutely love both of them. They're so cute in different ways, but I feel like I'm definitely swaying towards the shade Peonies. This is so cute. This product also has a plumping kind of effect to it, so it's gonna make your lips so much more juicier. I then also picked up more lip tints. I know, I couldn't help myself. I got these ones from a brand called AMUSE. These are called the Dew Tints, and as you can see, they have such a nice selection of colors. The main thing that this brand prides themselves in when it comes to this lip tint is their vegan base formula. Obviously, when it comes to lip products, we consume that stuff like pretty much the whole time we're wearing it. So it's definitely important that you know what you're putting on as well as in your body, right? This lip tint has a really nice watery kind of looking finish to it, which I absolutely love. And with so many different shades, I feel like there's definitely going to be something for everyone here. And now moving on to the very last product of this video, I'm actually going to be showing you guys a cleansing balm. This is from a brand called HEIMISH, and this is the All Clean Balm. Once again, this has a vegan formula, and I love the packaging so much. This is how it looks inside. You get a tiny little spatula with it, so you can dig out as much as you need, and you don't need to be like prodding around with your fingers in there, just keeping it sanitary. I absolutely love the smell of this. It smells really nice and fresh and just good for your skin. I don't know how to explain it, but it just smells really good. This product, it claims to remove 100% waterproof makeup, so that's absolutely amazing. Alright guys, so that was everything for today's video and me trying out these Korean skincare bits. I honestly had so much fun trying them out and I hope you guys enjoyed seeing this video. It's something a little bit different, but it's something I'm very passionate about outside of YouTube as well. I just love my skincare. If you guys did like the look of any of these products, I'll have all the links in the description, so make sure you guys check it out. And once again, a massive thank you to StyleKorean for working with me on this video. I can't wait to try some of these products as well as continue using the ones that I've already tried. As always, thank you guys so much for being here and watching this video. If you did enjoy it, please be sure to smash that huge thumbs up down below. It really helps me out a lot. But that is all from me. I hope you guys are all well and hopefully I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye! Mwah.